dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And also, I hope you all studying your lessons well, right? Okay, my dear. Welcome back again to computer class. Last week we have seen about paint, right? Today in this class also we are going to continue about same paint, but next chapter 6, more about paint. Okay, we have seen some basics about paint. In this topic we are going to learn some deep things about paint. Okay, that last topic we have seen about different tools, colors, size, everything, right? So we are going to learn something newly from this paint chapter. Okay, last week we have seen about starting paint, closing paint, using tools like pencil, brushes, line, saving a drawing, starting a new drawing, opening an existing drawing. These are all the things we have seen in the last chapter, right? In this new chapter, more about paint also, we are going to see some interesting things, interesting topics. Okay, come, let's learn together. You can try many things in paint, but let us learn about other tools that you can use in paint. Okay, we have learned about how to draw, how to save, how to close a paint window, but here we are going to learn about some other tools that you can use in paint. Okay, the first tool is shapes group. Okay, the first thing is shapes group. Shapes means in this some shapes will be there, okay, in that paint option. Instead of your drawing by your hand, that means pencil, computer pencil, you can use these shapes as ready-made. Okay, you can use paint to draw a number of ready-made shapes. The shapes group has icons for shapes such as rectangles, ellipses, triangles, arrows, hearts, stars, lightning bolts, callouts, and many more. Okay, here some steps are given to use these shapes. Okay, first step, you have to click the shape. Okay, from the shapes group, whatever shape you want, you have to click that shape, then click size option and select the thickness of the line. Then you need to select color 1 for the outline, color 2 to fill inside the shape. Okay, and then if you want more appearance, then you have to click outline options in the shapes group and select a line style, and then click fill option to fill inside the shape. Okay, and then to draw a shape, click and drag the mouse on the drawing area. Let's listen about this shapes group once again. You can see on picture, right, that arrow mark is showing that shapes section. In that many shapes are given. Okay, now you can see only 3 rows, right, but if you click down arrow, then you can see more shapes will be there. Okay, whatever shapes you want, you can select the shapes from that, and then you need to select the thickness of the outline. Okay, if you are selecting a rectangle, means to set the outline, you need to select the thickness. How much thickness you need, you can select, and then color outline color, and inside filling color also you can select. Then the next thing is curve tool. In that picture you are seeing one curve, right? That is the curve tool. Okay, that also will be in the shapes section. The curve tool is used to draw curved lines. Okay, you can use these tool by following the steps. Okay, first you need to click the curve tool in the shapes section. Okay, after that you need to select the size for the thickness and color one for the color one to select the color of the curve and outline line style, and then you have to drag the mouse to draw a curved line. Okay, then click the line and drag the mouse to get a desired curve. When you drag the mouse and when you draw that, one straight line will become. Okay, after that you have to click that and drag again, then you will get a desired curve. Okay, once again I will repeat, you need to click the curve tool. Okay, this is the curve tool, you have to click, that will be in the shape section. Then you need to select the thickness and the color of the curve, and then you can drag it. Okay, drag the mouse pointer on the monitor, you can get the curved line. The next thing is polygon tool. Polygon tool, by saying the name itself we can understand that polygon means that has more edges. Okay, how much edges we can make it as a shape. Okay, the polygon tool will be like that. Selected tool is there now in that picture. You can use the polygon tool to make a custom shape with any number of sides. Okay, if you want only 3 sides as a triangle means also you can draw. If you want 10 sides means also you can draw by using the polygon tool. For this also we have some steps. First you need to click polygon tool from the shapes section and then drag the pointer to draw. Then when you draw first straight line, after that you have to continue that straight line until you reach your goal. That means how many sides you want, you have to draw. Okay, you have to drag and draw. To finish the shape you need to connect last line to the first line. Okay, if you want to change the appearance of the polygon tool, you can choose outline, or if you don't want, you can give no outline. You can choose size, you can choose color for the outline as well inside to fill the shape. Okay, if you want to fill inside, you can give fill option. If you don't want to fill inside means you can give no fill option. See, once again in the shapes group, polygon symbol will be there. If you click that, you can drag and draw polygon figure. How much sides you want, you can draw. Okay, and the next thing is fill with color tool. That means after you drawn something, you can fill that shape or drawing by using the color tool. Okay, for this also some steps are there. That means this tool is used to fill a selected color in any closed shape. Okay, this filling option will be used for closed shape. Okay, let's learn the steps. First you have to draw your shape, whatever shape you want you can draw. After that you have to select the color tool from the tools section. Okay, and then select the color from color one box, and then bring mouse pointer inside the shape and click the shape to fill the color. Okay, and fill all the shapes, whatever shapes you want to fill with the different colors, you just fill the shapes. Okay, for example, if you have one rectangle like this means you can fill all shapes with different colors. Okay, see, in this you have to draw first your shape. Okay, here I have drawn 2 rectangles, and this is the color color option, that in that tool section you can see color tool. Have to click that and then select the color, and select. After that you need to click on the shapes, then automatically that shape will be filled with color. Okay, here you have to click next, then the shape will be filled with color. And then next thing is eraser tool. Eraser means itself we can understand this tool is used to erase the unwanted things, right? And here also some steps are there in the tools group. This eraser also in the tools group. Okay, eraser and the color, filling color in the closed section is in the tool section. Okay, so you can see in that picture on arrow is showing that the tools, inside the tools section arrow eraser is there, right? So first you need to click the eraser from the tool section. Next you need to select the size of the erasing area, that also from that thickness, okay, in that size section. And then mouse pointer, you need to keep the mouse pointer, click the mouse pointer and drag over the path you want to erase. Okay, first you need to select erase button from the tool section, and then select the thickness, that means size, and color of the eraser, that means if you don't want that area, you select white color. If you want something drawn in that area, that erasing area will be in different color, means you need to select any other color. Okay, after that you have to drag and erase it. Okay my dears, I hope you all understood today's class more about paint. We'll also continue about the same topic next week also. Today we have seen about shapes group, curve tool, polygon tool, fill with color tool and eraser tool. Okay my dears, I hope you all understood this. Go through once again here. If you didn't get any clear idea, means you just take your computer or laptop and go through paint window or paint option. Okay, then in that you have to apply these things, then you can get clear idea. Okay my dears, stay safe. Thank you. Learn your lessons well. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.